So as I said before, guys, these guys in a quick full miler. So at the moment now, just having a leg stretch. And back on again, coming right now. Day with Fabziy. My camera. Stay. Doing a full. Going on a quick tab, guys. Doing a full miler today. So it should be good. Looking forward for it. Last night was epic. Went bed about what? 3 in the morning. Got about 4 hours kept. And back up. Rise and shine. Let's go. So I've got 2 weapons. I've got this one here. My old weapon, which I use a lot, then I have this new one. I'm trying to break this one in. It's quite good. Got it for free. Free as it can be, my friend. Transfer it away from the old one and put it in the new one. I think another troop is stepping off now. I'm not going with them lot. So heavy. Super heavy. 25 kg all the time, mate. Nah, I'm just joking. Not 25 kg. You got about maybe 18 in there, nice and light. Because I'm bouncing back and forth. So yeah. When you guys be doing like a week, wrapping up easy, let's say 25 miles a week, then yeah, you can talk to me. Apart from that, shut your goddamn mouth. Let's do this. Just got my toe pressing now. Turn.
Let's go! So much! Double march! Footing! That's the right! That's right! Don't stop doubling through your at the front. Left hand side of me.
So yeah, we're just coming around to most infamous hill in Pirbright, Heartbreaker. Yeah, so we're just gonna do it once, little leg stretch again. Guys, I haven't been up it before, nothing new, so it should be good. Let's do it, see how they get on.
Lean into the hill.
Welcome to Heartbreaker, guys.
Watch your eyes. Be tight, Tree. Don't stop. Keep walking.
Both hands in ref, granddad, come on. Keep going, almost there. Keep pushing, man. Come on. Push all the way to the top. Come on. Dig deep. Come on, get around him, come on. Pays to be a winner, gentlemen, come on. All the way to the top, well done. Remember, keep your legs moving. Well done, first place. Good. Come on, second. Well done, come on, dig in, dig deep.
Stop feeling sorry for yourself. Look smart.
Guys, come on, switch on. Yeah, just a little bit, come on, sort yourself out. Almost there, loosen up the top. Hurry up. Keep moving while I'm talking. Hurry up. Use both hands. That's what you got your strength for. Loosen up, come on, hurry up. Come on, G-man.
Come on. Short and sharp, lads.
So as we see there, guys, so that was a quick 4 miler. The guys kept with the pace throughout. Yeah, no one break. So you done know, good session. And I'll see you guys next week. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. You done know.
Stand by.